Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are safe, healthy and doing great. May God bless you all with a good health, prosperity and wealth. Friends, welcome back to my channel Bloom German. Today I will talk about two topics. First is aim of my channel Bloom German and second is the structure of my videos that I am designing for you, and in the last answer to the comments. So now let's begin. And before starting our video, do liking, sharing and subscribing, because the equation of YouTube is very simple. As much as you like my video, more and more students get benefited from the content. So let's begin. First one is aim of my channel Bloom German. Friends, as you know, YouTube is an open platform for everyone. A person with a query and a question come here, write down their doubts and get benefited from it or get the answer. And what the creator do? Creator with his knowledge create the data, design it, edit it and upload it on the YouTube. In this way the YouTube works. Now come back to our language, that is a German language. Many of you have started learning German. Some of you have started it but quit it because of any reason you come across. And some of you are still thinking to learn the German language. Learning a German language have many advantages. If you want, I can make a one detailed video on this topic. One can make a very good career by learning the German language and earn the good income. But there is one problem. Everybody cannot afford learning the German language. When a student go from A1 to A2, A2 to B1, the charges of the courses also grows on increasing. Bloom German is my innocent try for the student who really want to learn the German language by providing them the material online for free. Now let's talk about our second point, that is the structure of my video that I am designing for you. Friends, I follow the Goethe syllabus, and if you have seen my video, the first part of my video is the introduction part, in which I discuss the background about the topic and the name of the topic. And in the second part of my video is having a detailed description with the examples. In the third part, that is a very important part, that is the question answer session. Sometimes we feel that we understood the concept, but when we solve the questions, then we understand where we stand actually. And this part of the video help us to overcome all the doubts that we were having while watching the video. One more thing I want to mention here, sometimes this happens that the speed of the video is very slow. You can increase the speed of the video and save your time. And keep commenting. This will motivate me for make more and more videos like this. Bitte liken Sie, sharen Sie und abonnieren Sie unseren Kanal. Herzlichen Dank für das Anschauen meines Videos. Bis bald. See you soon.